nutrients and a quality medium are vital for the plant thriving. Many gardeners use hydrogen peroxide for their plants and garden. But why? Today we will share why you should use hydrogen peroxide for your plants too, and how to use it. Don't forget to subscribe for more informative videos. Have you ever noticed how much more rainwater helps your plants than regular tap water? Rainwater has a very minimum level of hydrogen peroxide, so if you use it as a part of your gardening process, what Mother Nature can do for your plants. Though hydrogen peroxide is not a fertilizer, but it can work amazing boosting your plant growth and repelling unwanted pests. If you use it the correct way, let's see. 5 benefits of hydrogen peroxide on plants. Boost oxygen level. Due to the lack of oxygen in soil, the growth of plants impacts heavily. Hydrogen peroxide can come in handy in the remediation of degraded soil. Mix 1:1 ratio of water and 3% hydrogen peroxide. Water the soil with this mixture, do not pour on leaves. This will help keep the soil healthy. Treat root rot. Hydrogen peroxide can be used to treat root rot. Phytophthora root rot is harbored in the soil and is challenging to treat. Mix 1 pint of 3% hydrogen peroxide into a gallon of water. Water the entire plant, soaking the roots thoroughly once every week. This oxygenates the root area, allow roots to breathe and plants to take up vital nutrients. Treat fungal infections. Hydrogen peroxide can be an effective treatment for fungal and bacterial infections in plants. Simply mix 2 tablespoons 3% hydrogen per gallon of water and spray onto your plants and garden every 3 to 5 days. Accelerate seed germination. When a seed is watered, it becomes alive as long as the temperature, humidity, air quality, and light intensity are correct. But what if you could speed up the seed germination? Use Harris 12% concentrated hydrogen peroxide, a food-grade solution made in pure distilled water, which can effectively increase germination speed and support the growth of strong, healthy plants. Mix 1 teaspoon hydrogen per gallon of water and spray or pour onto your seeds once a week. Repelling pests and insects. Do you have a problem with pests eating your plants? Hydrogen peroxide can help. Soaking the roots of your plants protects them, but sometimes bugs will eat the leaves. Mix 1/2 cup Harris 12% and 6 cups water in a spray bottle, and lightly spray the leaves to keep bugs away. If you find this video helpful, please give us a like and subscribe for more useful videos. Thanks for watching.